Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zen Pharmacy channel. Today's video is going to be incredibly insightful. We'll be diving into a topic that affects many aspects of our health, the role of nutrition in wound healing. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Wound healing is a fascinating process that our bodies undertake whenever we face injuries or cuts. To comprehend how nutrition plays a vital role, let's first understand the stages of wound healing. Now that we know the stages, let's talk about how the right nutrition can significantly impact this process. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. They play a crucial role in tissue repair, helping the body regenerate and heal damaged areas. Foods like lean meats, beans, and dairy products can provide the necessary protein. Vitamins and minerals act as catalysts in many biochemical reactions, aiding in the formation of collagen and other essential compounds. Fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins like C and E, are excellent choices to support the healing process. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but is a key factor in wound healing. Water helps transport nutrients to cells and facilitates the removal of waste. So, don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss specific foods that can promote or hinder the wound healing process. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, nuts, and seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties. Including these in your diet can help reduce inflammation and support the healing process. On the flip side, excessive sugar and processed foods can impair immune function and slow down the healing process. It's crucial to limit these to ensure optimal healing. In conclusion, understanding the role of nutrition in wound healing empowers us to make informed choices for our well-being. Remember, a balanced and nutritious diet is not only essential for overall health, but also plays a significant role in how quickly and effectively our bodies heal. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Stay healthy, and until next time, take care.